So this video we're going to go through the questions from section 3. Sally thought of a number, multiplied it by 3, subtracts 2 and is left with an answer 88. Write an equation to represent the problem and solve it. So Sally thought of a number. We need to assign the number a letter like a pronumeral, so let's use S. S, she multiplied it by 3, so that's 3S, subtracts 2 and is left with 88. There's your equation, you just solve it. So we're going to get rid of minus 2 first, and then we're going to get rid of 3. So if you're not sure what to get rid of first, just make sure one of the methods I do is the onion method. But you can just read it out loud, like Sally's thinking of a number, she multiplies it by 3 and then she subtracts 2. So the first thing you have to do to reverse it is you got to get rid of the subtracting 2. That's why we're adding 2 to both sides. So 3s equals 90. So 3 times s is 90. Divide both sides by 3. S equals 30. 32. Sydney is 10 hours ahead of London time. Find the time in London if Sydney's time is 7 AM Tuesday. So Sydney can be here. London is here. So we know from there to there is a 10 hours plus. So Sydney's time is 7 AM on Tuesday. So what I would probably do is, I'm going to cheat. I'll probably go, I'm thinking I would trace back 12 hours. So I'm going to go this here. 12 hours. So 12 hours before is what? If it's 12 hours before, then it'd be 7 PM. Yeah, because 12 hours before 7 AM is 7 PM, and it'd be the day Monday. Because I went back 12 hours, I only need to go back 10 hours. So I need to add another 2. So once I add 2 hours, I'll be here, which is 9 PM. If you've got another easy way, then that's fine. You can count. You can use your fingers, or you can literally count back 10 hours from 7 AM if that's easier for you. But don't forget that the day changes from Tuesday back to Monday. 33. Carpet store's brochure was 30 to 50. On a carpet priced at $500. What would be the maximum amount that could be paid? So if the sale is 30 to 50% off, if you were to pay the least, that means the sale would be, the percent off would be the highest, which is 50. If you're paying the most, that means the sale, the discount is only 30%. So what would be the maximum amount that could be paid? So if you want to do 30% off to $500 is equivalent to 100%. We want to find out what 70% is, because it's 30% off. So if something is 100% originally, then it's 30% off, it's only worth 70%. So we're going to use fractions. 70% means 70 over 100 times $500. Cross it a 0 from the top, 1 from the bottom, 1 from the top, 1 from the bottom. So all I'm left with is 7 times 50, which is 350. That's the maximum that could be paid. $34. A bottle of medicine contains 400 mils. Ken takes 20 mils 4 times a day. So in one day, Ken drinks 20 mils 4 times a day, so 20. He drinks 80 mils. How much medicine remains in the bottle after 5 days? So 5 days would be 80 mils times 5, which is 400 mils. 8 times 5 is 40, add the 0, 400. How much medicine remains in the bottle? Well, the bottle only contains 400, so the bottle will be, you can just write the bottle will be empty. Or you can write 0 mils if you really wanted to. $35. If 4 runners in a 4 runners in a 200 meters race recorded these times. If a runner in third place had 1.5, what would she have been? What would she have been placed second? All right. Well, we're just going to write it from first to fourth. So first times the fastest is 20.05. Then 21.1, 22.7, 25.4. So if this person here, who was third, had 1.5 seconds faster. Okay, so I'm going to use a timeline for time. So 22.7 is here. We need to subtract, what is it, 1.5. That's a big jump, yeah, so we need to subtract 1.5. Let's say we can't do that, so we're gonna break it up. So first I'm gonna subtract 1. When I subtract the 1, I'm left with 21.7. Then I'm gonna subtract the 0.5. So this is subtracting 1, then I'm subtracting 0.5. So this subtract 0.5 will be 21.2. So if she ran 1.5 seconds faster, she would be 21.2. Would that have placed her second? No, because the person coming second was 21.1. She would still be slower by 0.1 second, sorry. So she'd be slower by 0.1 second. So no, she would still, she would still be slower by 0.1 seconds.